Oh, come on, it's gonna be good. It's good.
It's okay?
Good. Yes, yes.
Now, put clothes here.
Okay.
Then...
Like this. Okay. Ah, perfect. We do have the water. We do like this. Yes. Welcome everybody to Nyabo Anse. I ended up here after a very long trip with Dee from Eldoret, Kenya to here at the border with Tanzania. The trip was 7 hours long and I wasn't fitting in the van. I wasn't fitting at all because I am too tall for this country. 191 centimeters over here, 6'2", 6'3" in American size, and well, after that van, my gosh, we jumped into a car, and at first there were 7 people inside this car and 2 kids, and then we were 8 people and 2 kids inside this car. I do not know how the driver was driving, but my goodness, it was incredible, and somehow we ended up in Nyabo Anse, and that's where I'm doing you a total real African village house tour. Just at the entrance of the house we do have some chickens waiting for us. Oh, this food is running away from me. So apparently I'm stuck in this village between Dee and all the mug. And here is her dog.
Yes.
How many dogs do you have?
2 dogs, as
2
you
dogs.
see them. Yeah.
Do you know names? You're never at home. You don't remember the names for sure.
Yes, I can't even remember the names.
No, I was joking, but she's for real.
This one is Takrim, he's the youngest.
Takrim.
That is the mother.
Okay.
Yamira, the other one is
Yamira. Okay.
Eh,
Well, why do you laugh?
Yamira and Takrim.
Okay. Thank you.
Hey, that's my uncle coming.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
Finally, we are at the village.
She's finishing her video. I am a true gentleman, so I'm letting her film it, and then I'm gonna start shooting my video. Which, actually, I'm not a true gentleman. I'm gonna use her clips for my video too. Dee, I've been thinking, you're never at home, so you have no idea about the house, and your brother must be the perfect person to show me around, not you.
Okay.
So get out of my video. So, can you show me around what you have over here?
Actually, this is basically our compound.
Okay.
You know, here is where the thing started, but
She's offended. No. Bye.
we have a good home right there. Maybe tomorrow I'll show you around.
Well, it's still a good home. What is she saying?
I don't know.
Doesn't matter. Ladies, they speak by themselves. All these chickens you have over here, they are yours or?
No, they are not. They are not ours all, but some they are for our neighbors.
So every chicken comes here to eat food. Oh. So you never eat them?
We slaughter them once in a while, especially when we have visitors. You know.
Okay, I am a visitor.
Like maybe today we may slaughter for you.
Maybe I should be the one slaughtering the chicken. And
Yeah, you can try.
Yeah, I could try. That one is the famous bathroom because
Let me show.
she's always telling me, oh, you will never be able to go to the bathroom over here. Like you're a spoiled white guy from Europe. No, she doesn't say that. But do you ever have snakes inside or
No.
no snakes? Oh, oh, this is female that is made.
No. Yeah. Everybody use it.
Everybody uses it. Oh, okay. I have no idea how it works.
No. It's just simple, you know.
Yeah.
You just place here water, maybe with a bucket. Then you start your work.
So practically, but you move all the wood to create some space.
Yeah.
Okay, and then you put the wood back on top.
And this is the toilet, you know.
Ah, this is the toilet. Okay. Thank you. This is probably what everybody wanted to see. I don't know what everybody wants to see. I have no idea.
But we are constructing another one now, modern.
Another bathroom over here. Wow, that's pretty deep. It's probably 3 times my size.
Maybe tomorrow you can dig it, huh?
I can dig it all.
Mm.
And then
Tomorrow.
that's where I'm gonna sleep when I'll be dead. Okay. But yeah, it's pretty deep. It's pretty deep for real.
I
And
used to watch your videos, now I'm seeing the real you know. The true picture.
oh gosh, yeah, I will be shy now. You know, in Italy we have the same. Like you throw all the food over there, right?
Yeah.
Maybe I can pass it on
The
the
leftovers
all the leftovers.
we throw here.
Yes, we do exactly the same in Italy. We throw the leftovers in one side and then we cover it.
Oh.
But like you know, pasta, spaghetti.
Yeah, I saw you preparing for D.
Your sister doesn't like anything. Like she's not invited in Italy. But don't tell her in that in her comment section. Anyway,
Actually, this is basically our compound.
Mhm.
This is everything where it started, and we just thank God for everything, you know.
that's beautiful.
And we are so proud.
I believe so.
Maybe tomorrow I'll take you where we are constructing our new house. Maybe you'll be surprised, you know.
Would be cool.
Our parents live there, the front.
So
view.
the parents live on the right side. Okay.
But we children, we stay at the back.
You're a children. You're a bit tall to be a children.
Tall? Seriously?
Yeah. How's it going?
More. Welcome home.
Asante sana. All good.
Yeah.
What's your name?
My name is Michael.
Michael.
Yes.
My name is Michael too.
Michael.
Really? We have the same name. You are better than me at cleaning. Yesterday I tried to clean my clothes and it was such a disappointment. I cannot do this. Really. Thank you, Michael.
This is where our dogs live.
Both of them they sleep right here.
Yeah. They sleep right here, but they are not
sleeping there.
Why? Why they changed their house?
No, they are just taking a rest.
Okay. Here. He's enjoying the life. Hi, doggy. Super camera shy. Hey. Oh, no, doesn't matter. It's okay. Where is the cow right now?
It is in the grazing field, but it is not yet.
But the cow knows
Time
where
to
to come back, or somebody
It's about to come. No.
by itself?
No.
Ah, okay,
somebody will come with it. You want to show you where we fetch water?
Yeah, why not? Oh.
This is where I practice.
You practice, you know where to put your feet.
This is where we fetch water.
Oh, you fetch water from here. Oh, wow. That's pretty deep. Like, if I end up there, I will never come back. Oh. How many meters?
Maybe 8.
Maybe 8.
Yeah.
Jesus, that's incredible. 8 meters. And you do it by yourself.
Yeah.
So you're strong. Wow. And that's how we get clean water in the village. That's beautiful.
This is where Mom stays.
Oh, this is your house.
Welcome.
Thank you so much. Yeah, they told me that the parents they live in a different house.
Yes.
I heard that you're the head teacher in school.
Yes, I'm a teacher by profession.
That's amazing. He also told me that he wants to be a teacher.
Yeah.
Okay. Naomi inspired the daughter,
Okay.
Dana D, to be a teacher, but he has come to this profession of yours.
This profession, it's more fun for her.
You like it?
Yes.
It's a nice one. Come. This is Mom's kitchen. Look how it is. Come and see how Mom cooks. You know?
So here that's where you put the fire.
Yes.
Okay. Oops.
Umeumia?
No.
Usiumie. Ana. This is where I cook.
Okay.
You see?
So you boil the water thanks to the fire down there.
Yeah, I cook both
Yes.
sides. Eh? You see here?
And this was made of mud, or what is this? Land? I don't know.
I prepared with mud.
With mud. Okay.
Yes.
Very nice.
I prepare and then I put
Yes.
there. Then this is my small cupboard. I prepare food here.
Everything wood.
So I prepare
Very
here.
nice.
Like now, I wanted now to make some cleaning. Then I put here my towel here. Even.
Don't hide. No worries. To me, everything is super fascinating.
That is all.
Yeah, that's a kitchen. You don't need much more.
A small one, but soon I'll have a better one. My daughter is working hard at least to make a better.
She really wants to help you.
She really wants to help me.
Yes.
You see, I've now taken her to school. All through. Now working hard. This is where
The cow.
tomorrow I'll make this place good for my cow. So I don't want it to sleep such a dead place.
Okay.
I'll now cover it.
How will you cover it?
I'll cover with that one.
With the land over there.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much for everything. That's your cow. Hello. Nice to meet you.
How are you?
All good. How are you?
Fine too.
So guys, because we are here, let's do a little house tour. Let's see where Princess D lives and works. Exactly in front of the computer. She sleeps here. She never leaves the computer.
Next to the Wi-Fi. This is live.
Oh, okay. That's her true love. In the other room, we have what I love the most, sleeping. I mean, I wish I had time to sleep. When I'll be retired, maybe. If I will ever retire, I will sleep. Dee by now knows that I never sleep.
Yeah, for sure.
I have always nightmares. It's her fault. I always dream her with 5 boyfriends.
Really?
And over here we do have another bed, pretty nice. I already showed you the kitchen, the toilet, and the hole we're digging. What else? I showed you where we get the water, mom's house, a little bit. And that's probably it for this house tour. Thank you so much for watching. Keep reading and believe in your dreams. Go check out this channel because she's hosting me here. Even if I am her slave, but she's hosting me for free. Shower done. There is a sunset over here, and therefore all the chickens, they went up here to admire it. Hey.